day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir. My name is MJ Santaseraunes, 25 years old, married. I have one child, ages 4 years old, and currently living at Barangay Santo Domingo, Tuna, Isabela. I have one brother, and I am the eldest in our family. I took Bachelor of Arts major in English Language Studies.
Okay. Can you tell me your work experience?
Here in the Philippines, I have work experience as a helper with more than 2 years. I serve 4 members of the family, 1 couple and 2 children, ages 5 and 8 years old. I do cooking, washing, ironing, and taking care of the kids. I also have work experience as a cashier in Webe Service Cooperative with almost 2 years.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
When the baby is sick, I get the temperature and tell my employer that the baby is sick.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I describe myself as a hardworking and generous woman.
Okay. Do you have any tattoo?
No,
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
no,
Do you have an allergy to certain food?
no,
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
no.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad because I want to give my family the best that they never had.
If you get hired, who will take care of your child?
My grandmother.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I will focus to my work.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I wake up at 6 a.m. in the morning and sleep in 10 p.m. in the evening.
Okay. Are you the one who do the cooking and marketing at home?
Yes,
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will more patient and calm.
Okay. When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employee, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes,
Okay. Do you accept no day off but to be paid instead by your employer?
yes,
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
yes,
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
no,
Are you willing to share a room with kids?
yes,
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
yes,
Do you promise to finish your contract?
yes, sir.
Can you cook Chinese food?
No, but I am willing to learn.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream.
Okay, what is your message to your future employer?
Sir, ma'am, my message is, if you hire me as your helper, I will do my best. Thank you.